guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Jolly Vrishti aka Being Me Out. That's my Instagram handle. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. So today this is the traditional makeup look we are going to do and I am going to show you how to do it. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and nothing. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get started. I have already washed my face. So I'll be moisturizing with my favorite always Pond's light moisturizer. I'll just take a little portion of it and warm it up. Always apply the moisturizer in the circular motion. So the second step is I'll moisturize my lips now. Then I'll be using the Maybelline One Day Dream Perfect primer. Shake it, take a little on your fingers, warm it, and start dabbing it. Slowly dab it on your face. The next thing we'll be using is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte Poreless foundation. So we'll take a little on our back side of the hand and then warm it up. Start applying it. I don't like to apply a lot of foundation on my forehead, so I do that. Apply a little on my neck. Don't apply it down the neck. So we will be blending it with our beauty blender and I will damp it. I'm damping it with the rose water. I have rose water in it. Only 2-3 pumps. And then start dabbing the foundation in. Dab it. Don't rub it. Just dab it. You can already see the difference. Can you? Try to pack the concealer on the sides of your nose. So when you use the concealer, it's smooth. It's smooth enough to dab your concealer. So I don't like to apply the foundation on my forehead, but I'll use the foundation, the extra, which is already in a blender. Not applying it ऊपर से, but इसमें जो भी pack हुआ है, I'll just dab it in. Because कभी-कभी because of over foundation on our forehead, you can see the crease when you do ऐसा or you do some expressions. So just a little whatever is inside this blender. So I'm done with my foundation. So the next thing we'll be using is the concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium Moyen, 25 Medium Moyen. Bas itna. Itna is enough for your eyes. On the bridge, throw on the side of your nose, on the sides, and a little bit on the chin, and if you like over here. So I'm using the same blender and I'll be dabbing in my concealer. As you know, it's already damp. So the next thing we'll be using is the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 230 Natural. So we'll be taking the powder. I'm just setting the concealer wherever you have applied it. Do it slowly with lighter hands. Okay, so we are done with the powder too. So the next thing we'll be doing is eyebrows. So I am using this Miss Claire eyebrow cake. I'll be using these two shades, this and this. Just dabbing it, thoda sa, removing the excess. Okay. So we are just forming the shape first. Keep your hands. Can you see the difference? We're doing the same on the other side. Dabbing it, removing the excess, grabbing it this way. So yes, we are done with the eyebrow. So for my eyes, the other thing I would like to do is I'll be using my highlighter itself, the Sivanna colors shimmer bricks. I'll be applying it with my fingers only. So I'll be applying a little bit of it, the pink shade which you can see here, this one. I'll be using that shade with my fingers, a little, just doing this and tapping it on my eyelids. Thoda sa only. If you can see, there's a double color because I had chosen these two. So you can also see it on my eyelid if you can. Upper it is a little orange and niche it is pinkish. So it gives you double shade. You just have to tap it 2-3 times. You can see it on my finger. Can you see there are two shades? So just doing it the same again, a little. I'm done. So the second last thing we'll do is the eyeliner. I am using Lakme Eyeliner. It's my favorite part actually. थोड़ा सा just remove a little bit of wing, ज़्यादा नहीं, जितना ज़्यादा करोगे it will get shabby. Done. So I'll be doing my other eye off camera. So yeah, I'm back with my eyeliner done on both the eyes. So the other thing we'll be doing is the mascara. I am using the Maybelline Colossal Colossal. So I am using this Maybelline New York Colossal Volume Express Mascara. So, and if you like my liner, do let me know in the comment section below or on my Instagram DM if you would like to know how I do my liner. If you want a tutorial on it, do let me know down below, and so I'll know that you want a tutorial on it, and I'll be surely doing it if a lot of you are interested. Just curling it a bit. If you like a double coating on your mascara, you can always do it. Let it dry for a minute and then you can apply the double coat. But right now I'm going with the single coat only. So on the next eye. So I am using the Studiowest Dynamatte blush. I'll be using the brush. Just dabbing it. Start from here and take till the ear. Start from here, take till the end. Start from here, take till the end. So the next thing we'll be doing is obviously the highlighter. So I'm using this one only, the Sivanna color shimmer bricks. So for the highlighter, I'll be using the first shade, the white one. If you know, I love it so much. If you have saw my pehle wala video, that is the everyday makeup look, and if you have not, please go and watch it, and I'll be linking it down in my description box. So start applying your highlighter. You can totally see the difference. That is why I love it. And go thoda upar if you like, because I like it on my temples too. Highlighter, and we'll be applying it on our bridge of our nose. Always try to blend with this finger, the ring finger, because it's very light on your face, on your skin, and it blends perfectly if you are doing your makeup with your fingers. And if you like, or obviously, so we are done almost. So the last thing we'll be doing is our lipstick. So today we'll be mixing two shades, which is the one is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 50 Voyager, and the second we'll be using is the MAC Matte A05 Lustre Lip Gloss. And this looks beautiful itself. No, but still we'll do it on the upper lip, and we'll just merge it. We'll just blend it with our fingers. So just a little, because bus. Just start blending it fast, very fast. I can't speak. Sorry. Can you say it? Beautiful color. So yeah, this was the final look, and I hope you guys liked it, and do let me know in the comment section below, do you like me with bindi or without bindi? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like this video, comment, share, do all this. It will mean a lot to me. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, that's @beingmeow99, and add me on Snapchat, Vrishti Purohit 9. I'll be linking both of them down below. So yeah, that is it. I hope you liked it, and